Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook video. We're going to cover all the usual suspects today, but firstly, we'll jump over here to the economic calendar, see what we got coming up. So, a little bit of news shortly coming out of GBP. Could see a little bit of a volatility there coming out of that. And then later on today, we have, actually very late, we have FOMC speaking, members speaking as well. We did have Fed Jerome Powell speaking last night. So we can have a look at the charts and see what ultimately came out of that. So as we can see here, so on the 4 hour on the Dixie, as we sort of discussed earlier, we are heading up, targeting this high here. So as of yesterday, if we sort of zoom in, didn't really get much in the way. We did get a slight pullback here. We jumped down the 1 hour, we can see that here. So we did get a slight pull down there. And then towards when the New York was opening, we then got that flush, that impulse up. So had a dump in the London session, and then New York opened and we had that impulse up. So again, basically, we are sort of moving a little bit sideways after we have had a gigantic impulse upwards. So just be aware that we could actually see a pullback here. But for the moment, if we start to look left, there's not a lot here in the way of, we do have a gap coming up, but there's not a lot in the way of areas that could give us a rejection. So it's really sort of clear sailing here at the moment. So at the moment for me, it's really just looking for that entry long. So if we start jumping down on the timeframes, obviously on a 1 hour time frame, we have our strong low situated here. So would definitely be looking at possibly coming down to this last candle here, that we could see that little bit of a short there and then going long from that area, or we possibly see a break today, a retest internal, and then going long from the Asia there. So they're basically the two setups we're looking at today, but still Dixie very long bias at the moment. And in turn, Euro is short. Obviously not as short as we would anticipate based on what we saw off the Dixie. But again, same thing yesterday. We did see the Euro gaining some strength there in the London, and then the New York opened and it just immediately sort of took it back. And now we're sort of sideways here. We did set just a minor low there. And now this all depends on how people view it. But we did obviously wick down through. Some people would like to see a candle close below. Some people take the wick as a break. It all depends on how you trade. But we did see that break there. So at the moment, we have the strong high either here, or depending if you don't classify that as a break, it's up here. So basically still in a downtrend at the moment. On the 1 hour, we're just looking for, are we going to see a pull up into this area, or possibly take liquidity high and go to this area and then look at going further short. But basically at this point in time, we are just watching the market, looking for those signs to give us that short bias. So obviously we are in the middle of that range at the moment. So definitely would like to see a pull higher and then going short from any sort of reasonable pullback. And GU, obviously the same, very similar. We had that strong push with GU. We did get that pullback down. We did get that wick low. Now, obviously that next high is a lot higher here than here. So I would be very careful trading into this. Obviously on the Euro, wouldn't be hard to jump in a trade and set your stop loss above the next high for a little bit of safety. Here, not so much. So probably would be better off, if you are going to be trading from the hourly chart or something, wait to get that, say, 15-minute change of structure. So if we do get this pull up here, we see that 15-minute change of structure, and then we start to look at going short from there. Or failing that, we get a break low and we retest inside and go short again. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for jumping on today's video, and I'll see you again on another Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest tradesmen's forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.